Hey everyone, how are you? It's Deron Griffin with You Do It Auto Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to save up to 75% off your premium oil change. You guys ready? Let's go. Okay, so the first step to a premium oil change is getting premium oil. We're here at our local AutoZone. All you have to do is simply come in. They have a lot of friendly faces, and we're going to show you exactly what to do when you get here to get your premium oil. Let's go inside. All right, so we walked it in. So we're just looking today to get a premium oil change. I don't know too much about my vehicle, so would you be able to help me out with that if I didn't know anything about oil?
Yeah, as far as you don't know about your vehicle, do you know what year?
Yes, I do know that. So I have a 2013 Ford F-150. Again, AutoZone does have the ability to find out everything they need to know about your vehicle, even if you don't know. I just so happen to know the make, year, and model of my car, but if you don't know about yours, don't hesitate at all. AutoZone will be happy to assist you with anything. Worst case scenario, you have to walk outside, check out the VIN number, but other than that, it's pretty simple, straightforward.
Okay, so for your oil, do you want conventional or do you want to use synthetic?
We want a synthetic oil change, sir.
Okay. You need 6 quarts. You're gonna need a 5 gallon. You're gonna need a 1 small gallon. I mean a small quart one.
Thank you for that. So, if you may not know how many quarts of oil that you may need in your vehicle, AutoZone again has all the answers.
So it'd be this one right here.
Okay.
Those right here. All right.
Hey, welcome to You Do It Auto Repair. Are you here for a free oil change Tuesday, sir?
Hey, sir, how you doing? Yes, sir, I am. But I'm a little confused. How does the free oil change Tuesday work?
Okay, so free oil change Tuesday special is you bring your own oil, you bring your own filter, and you get the bag rented off for free today.
That's it?
Yes, sir, that's it.
Oh, man, I'm ready to go.
All right, let me get you to fill this out, please.
Thank you.
All right, so I got all your information ready. I got your waiver sign. All right, let's go. Just follow me outside so we can set you up and get you ready.
All right.
All right, sir, so here we got you all set up for a free oil change Tuesday, right?
Okay.
Here we got all your equipment, all your tools you need. We are concerned about safety here all the time, so here goes some gloves.
Thank you.
Go ahead and put those on. All right, here goes the safety glasses.
Okay.
All right, sir, so here goes all the equipment you'll be using. You got 1/2-inch sockets, we got short, and we got deep sockets. We got 3/8 deep sockets.
You're telling me I'm going to be able to use you guys' equipment?
Yes, sir, we got everything. We got everything here for you. You got standard, we got metric deep sockets, 3/8 sockets, 1/4-inch sockets. We got your wrenches right here.
Okay.
We got your impact tools for your tires and anything else that you might be needing. We do have all the pliers here sets too.
Wow.
And we have the wrenches here.
I really get to be my own mechanic, man. I'm
Yes,
ready
sir.
to go.
All right, so we're gonna get you ready and set up right here. I will give you some assistance on this oil change. So here you go. Here's your oil pan, all right?
Okay.
Here's where your oil is sitting at right now.
Okay.
So there's your drain plug. So we'll go ahead and get you a 15 millimeter with your wrench. Always remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey, okay? And we got here all the equipment so you'll be able to dispose of any kind of oil, any kind of coolant, anything like that here.
Okay, so you guys take care of the disposal
Yes,
as
sir.
well.
We take care of everything here for you. So just remember, it's hot and just be careful.
Oh, yeah, we going.
There you go. All right, we also provide you with rags here, shop rags, any kind of thing.
Okay.
There you go.
But do I have to wait until every single drop of oil is out?
I mean, you're not gonna always get every single drop of oil out. You know, let this drain as much as it can, and then we'll still have some oil in your oil filter area too.
Oh, okay.
Then that's when more of it will come out.
Okay. All right. All right. So let me ask you this: do you need to be a mechanical expert to change your oil? Or?
No, sir, you don't need to be no kind of mechanical expert. Me myself, I am agency certified. But anybody that's willing to do it, no matter your expertise on the vehicle, we can show you how to do anything here.
Oh man, that's awesome. That's awesome.
So now that got most of it drained out, we can put your drain plug back in here.
Okay.
That way we can get your filter out. All right. Just make sure you have it good and snugged in there. Give it a little snug.
Say screw it on. How tight exactly are we screwing it?
You want to do it just snug enough, not too tight, because there's a possibility of you can strip the drain plug, and it'll be way harder and difficult for you to change it next time.
And so when you say strip, as in I won't be able to turn it and
Yes, you can strip the threading inside, and you can also strip the head of the bolt.
Oh wow, I didn't know that.
So now let's go to your oil filter. Here you go. Well, I hope you locate that too, sir.
Okay.
So here, let's put it on. This is where we have your oil filter at.
Oh wait, it wouldn't be right on the side of the oil pan?
There's always different locations for every kind of vehicle. You see
Okay.
that blue filter?
Yes.
That will be your oil filter.
Oh, okay. And I just take it out?
Yes, sir. Remember, at the same time, lefty loosey, righty tighty.
All right.
All right, go ahead.
And can I expect anything to come out?
Yes, you're gonna expect some oil to come out as you're loosening it up. So we're ready to put your filter back on. So this is what we do to lubricate a little bit of it. Put some oil right around the lip of the rim. There we go. And on some cases, they put oil inside of here, but since our filter is actual the other way and it's not going straight up and down, so we'll just go ahead and screw it in there right now. Once your surface is all the way clean like I showed you right now.
Okay.
We got everything tightened up. We got all the things situated right. We're gonna go ahead and get everything away from the bottom of the bay. Okay. That we'll have everything cleared out and we'll be able to drop it now, okay? All right. All right, so now we're ready to go. We got your funnel ready. We got your oil. Go ahead and open it up. All right, so you already got all your oil in. So now all we gotta do first is turn the vehicle on. That way we can have oil going inside the filter and fill that up, and that way we can get the right level of oil on your dipstick, okay? So we'll go ahead and turn it on real quick. Put your oil cap back on here. See that your yellow thing?
Got it.
So we'll go first time is always not the right reading, so we'll go ahead and clean it out and dip it again.
Okay.
All right, and once you check your oil level, make sure it's all proper filled. That's why you have these two dots right here on this side.
Okay.
That way check it with proper level, make sure it doesn't pass that, and it'll be on the safe zone.
Okay. All right, looks like we all safe then. All right, just as simple as that. The oil change is done. And don't forget, here at You Do It Auto Repairs, you can save from anywhere 75 to 85% off of all maintenance. And we provide you the space, the professional tools, the professional safety equipment, and a technician to help with anything, any questions that you may need. And don't forget, here at You Do It Auto Repair, you are your car's best mechanic.
Oh, you can do it. You do it auto repair. You can do